While the material is getting richer, people's pursuit of spiritual enjoyment never stops, greatly bringing fast development of tourism and therefore stimulating the growing hotel industry, which is indeed a broader potential market. Aware of that, a man turned his eyes to overseas hospitality and catering.
It's been 12 years since I stepped into the hospitality and catering supply chain industry. Over these years, I found lots of problems existing in the hotel's procurement management. First of all, when multiple departments submit requests at the same time, they need so many repeated discussions. Sometimes even dozens of emails are needed to confirm just one request. And it's even worse when the request is not clear. And besides, the information is not synchronized, resulting in lots of approval delays. In addition, product requests in this industry are particularly abundant but relatively small quantity. If we look at single item, and the selection process is also very cumbersome, and it's even more complicated for customized products for hotels under construction and pre-opens. This kind of project takes the whole team huge amount of time and energy for procurement process, and even the whole procurement team had to come to China, visit each supplier and negotiate one by one. To be honest, the expenses and opportunity costs generally remain high. And 1 or 2 years later, when rebuying the same product, hotel team need to recheck the most original demand information, repeat the previous work, which is wasting a lot of time and labor costs. Thinking back, since 2006, I've helped many overseas hotels to purchase large number of products from construction, pre-open, and operation. However, years has passed. Problems of hotel procurement still existed. That's why I came up with the idea of setting up this company, providing integrated full categories, one-stop procurement and fulfillment services for the hospitality and catering industry.
Under such an idea and dream, Milan started the road to entrepreneurship. But like most startups, growing up in twists and turns is always the way to go. When starting to build the supply chain, product-related data accumulation was a big and tough issue. Lack of product specification when offering inquiry and long time needed for confirming order both made suppliers not only slow in response, but also low in quotation rate. Undoubtedly, this problem must be overcome as soon as possible in order to build such a hotel industry supply chain covering thousands of categories. Despite that, after nearly 10 years of preparation, the company has finally embarked on track in 2016. The Comesoon.hk website platform loads with 10 categories of items for hotels and catering, from construction, operation to refurbishment, over 3,000 subcategories. The one-stop procurement platform has told initial outcome. At the same time, with market development and expansion, the number of customers and projects continues to increase. From regional independent 3-star hotel to global hotel chain and group, facing thousands of customers and hundreds of projects. The conversion rate under person manual management, however, can only be maintained at a limit and cannot be further broken.
By the end of 2017, our products cover almost all materials from hotel construction, renovation, and operation, 900 categories, tens of thousands of products, basically achieve one-stop full category procurement. The website platform is also set up, and our solution has gradually gained worldwide customers' recognition. The market has begun to expand rapidly, and large and small customers have been visiting our company and have achieved many collaborations, like Hilton, Waldorf, Marriott, Intercontinental, Wyndham, Ramada, Sofitel, Pullman, Sheraton, Kempinski, Best Western, and other world-known brands, as well as Ramada, the largest hotel group in the Middle East, and Dubai Holdings, Dubai's largest real estate and hotel company. At present, there are very few companies that can provide one-stop, all-in-one for hotel materials in the world. One of the reasons is that supply chain integration is extremely difficult. There are thousands of suppliers involved in each category, and dozens of suppliers of the same product. Moreover, these suppliers are located in different cities and regions, with different qualifications and product standards. What's more, the entire process involves inquiry, ordering, production follow-up, inspection, transportations, warehousing, loading plan, loading, country access standards, customs declaration, international logistics, overseas customs clearance, destination delivery, and after-sales service, etc. It's extremely complicated. But this is exactly why we're here. With foundations we've built, the next step is how to integrate more supply chain resources with high efficiency and higher quality, so as to provide high quality services to more customers around the world.
At that time, it was the golden age of China's internet development, but big data computing and foreign trade system management have not really widely spread, and Milan is keenly aware of this possible breakthrough point. As Milan said at the staff meeting, one's energy and time are always limited. System conjunction with big data operations can truly help us better manage projects, manage suppliers, and manage our company operation efficiently. In this way, can we free our hands and truly focus on creating value for the global trade circle and achieving global easy buy. So from 2017, Milan expanded IT team and planned to integrate big data, including client-side CRM, supply chain SCM, projects, HR, etc., while going deeply to learn system-related knowledge. In terms of supply chain, there are now hundreds of thousands of products in database and more than 5,000 cooperative suppliers. In addition, Comesoon prepares offline sample series for customer easy inspection, such as Chinaware, flatware, glassware, linen, disposables, etc. They can meet different star-rated hotels from construction to operation to renovation, covering almost all functional areas and demand by department. At the same time, system using better facilities to manage and follow up the progress of the project. So far, there are over 10,000 customers and 1,000 business opportunities, equipping with supply chain integration capability. New project keeps going up. During 2017 to 2018, the team had field study to the Middle East and held meetings with varied worldwide hotel groups in China. It has continuously highlighted the one-stop procurement solution capability of Comesoon and its value for customers. Unifying high-standard pre-sales and after-sales services make customers only need to connect with one single company, instead of negotiating with hundreds of thousands of suppliers, which greatly reduces customer costs in the team management and risk. Through continuous market exploring and meetings with customer teams, Comesoon gradually realized deeper market needs. Therefore, it started from the customer's internal purchase, product details approval, and repurchase process, creating a higher level of new value for customers.
This time, we developed an advanced procurement management system that can interface with our product database. Our customers can access to our system based on departments and position levels to enjoy well-organized, easy-communicate, high-efficiency procurement management. With much lower error rates, by using the system, customers can easily manage their procurement plans and repurchasing plans, centralized purchasing, and real-time control for a single hotel, or even for hotel chains and even international hotel groups. Together with our strong supply chain and fulfillment ability, our solution completely liberates hotel and catering owners and managers from complex and cumbersome procurement to the focusing on business performance and expanding.
After nearly 12 years in hotel and catering industry, Comesoon has accumulated over 5,000 quality suppliers and hundreds of thousands of quality products to meet demand from designers, contractors, decorators, investors, and operators about various levels, style, and function. In addition to this powerful one-stop solution capability and fulfillment services, Comesoon stands out is because it thinks as a customer, trying all efforts to make pursuing easy and less cost, whether using data, systems, or automation. With the continuous increase of projects and improvement of the company operation system, Comesoon has gathered and always welcomed talents to contribute to the export trade together. On the road to dreams, all team members keep moving forward.
Since the company was founded, we have always had the principle and carry forward the cooperation culture of being honest, responsible, dialectic, and innovative. We always treat customers with integrity. We do what we say. We show mutual trust and abide by the contract. We always shoulder the responsibility for customers, suppliers, partners, employees, shareholders, and investors. We have always been continuing to use the latest technology to help customers analyze and solve problems, innovative process and methods, improving efficiency, reducing total costs, providing customers with the best experience or services, and create essential value for worldwide customers. Through continuously integrating quality products all over the world, we gradually eliminate brand premiums, cut down intermediate channels, reducing handling times. By equipping big data and AI technology, we aim to improve the global product segregation system from the very bottom, so that the global business customers and consumer customers can buy the best value for their money in the most convenient and efficient way. We call it Global Easy Buy. We hope that through our unremitting efforts, we can create value for the global trading system, share resources with our partners, and achieve mutual win-win benefits. I truly think this is a great thing to do.